to ka jingwan jungpi hang nem ta kasi ka jingmut jungpi ro khiwan hang nem ta si
ai ka jingmut ki pilatif hi hadian ba ka jingsa kando jang jela ba brong ni lagi lengba gilat to thai kuan ni kita ki national news kita ki youtube ba baki kato kan ni kilong yang na kato ka raguan si family abla omba ni ji kinong punya beriu ke jela ke jungi ke hitam ke sora ke crime zone drone crime itu nakaliang juni wan ni ba yimpi ki ba yimdei kinong punya beriu yimdei kita ki madaras sumba kinong oi yimdei ki warrior ane kita ki rang yele ringi kita ki beti ya ka song ngai bat ni baru kai ka hok ke jong dong yang jong raja ro wan sir yo ya ka hok ke jong ki di ba ka interest jong ka mek dia polis bat jika tenang bahasa pakar media. Dan kalau kau jungi te kata ini pak berhak dan kalau kau sendiri di nongway tiba song kita hamtam betul apa ke rilom apa ke rilom kecela kau jungi bat hamtam apa ke Thai India saya baru kau ini pak song ke jingkano ya kali kepada kurang jungi kalau baru kau salah pau saya bakal ditang kam yo servis jungi katakan kita review pakai keren format keren frisbee jangka longjeng sam jangka nomor ke raguan si ini pak berhak dengan ni perbuat lagi konten nongway syaki nongsono dari India would like to send a message to the citizen of India and especially our brother and sister and citizen of India that whatever allegation has been alleged to our state and especially the Sora and to our community is all based false allegation. I would like to compare our state and our Meghalaya police, our government, they are like elephant, and those who give a false allegation against our state, like the fake YouTubers, they are like dogs who bark, but they know the truth. But in fact, of barking of those some fake news, our Meghalaya government and our Meghalaya police dedicate to the work and until it came to the news that Sonam Raghu when she had to come out and surrender herself in the police of UP. That's all from our side. We welcome all the people who used to come to our state. Kindly come and see by yourself that how is Meghalaya and how is our people, and you will see the truth that you will come and face by yourself. That's all we want to send a clearly message that whatever allegation has been falsely alleged, it is all false.